post it. Okay, we're gonna do a little modification to our little patio zen area, and it's gonna be in the corner here. It's gonna be like a little desert scene, sand and cactuses and stuff. So not sure how that's gonna turn out, but let's give it a try. Okay, landscaping progress. The area where the sandy cactus area is now clear. Can't wait to see this. Okay, here's a look at the preliminary placement of the cactuses. Well, here's our finished product, our little diorama desert oasis thing. I think it looks good. These, of course, are all Ikea plants. Ikea, nothing but the best. And they're all plastic, so don't need to water them or anything. Anyway, that finishes off that corner. Kind of nice, I think. Kind of goes with everything else here we got going on. Okay, that's all for now.